Manual inspection is slow, subjective, and requires continuous product training. This impacts the cycle time and the quality of the product that manufacturers ship to their customers. That's why manufacturers are always looking for innovative new technologies to help them solve quality problems on the assembly line. Deploying vision systems in high-pace, high-speed manufacturing is difficult. What manufacturers really need is an easy-to-deploy vision quality system. That's why we created Product Twin. Product Twin captures images in line and generates a 3D asset of each part. Then it compares this digital twin with the CAD data of that part. If a non-conformity is detected, Product Twin alerts the operators for them to take corrective action. They can manipulate the 3D asset to quickly identify the issue on the real images of the defective part. The beauty of Product Twin is that it doesn't require an integrator or a machine learning engineer to set up. Anyone can configure it to inspect any part geometry. The kit includes cameras and an industrial gateway with Eigen's Product Twin software pre-installed. The user follows the instructions to set up the applicable cameras and then configures the verification based on the quality specifications. Once set up, each part coming down the assembly line is inspected and compared to its CAD. Product Twin is a turnkey, out-of-the-box solution designed to accelerate productivity and reduce variability. With Eigen Product Twin, you can deploy your inspection system yourself quickly and easily, eliminate human error with machine vision, perform 100% inline inspection instead of sample checks, keep digital records of every part for quality assurance, and simplify your operator's life on the factory floor.